Good morning, you guys. I feel like I used to start my vlogs like this back in college in my bed, but Winnie would always be like right next to me. She doesn't sleep in bed anymore. But anyways, good morning. It's kind of like terrible lighting because it's really dreary out today. It's supposed to rain most of the day. But I wanted to film a morning routine for you guys. It's a little after 7:30. Scott just left to take Arla to daycare, so I said goodbye to him. My face is super like oily looking because I put a lot of skincare on last night. But yeah, I wanted to do a morning routine video. I love watching these. I think they're really fun. All right. So I figured, I know I do like a lot of weekly vlogs that kind of show you different parts of my day, but never like my full morning. So I thought these would be fun. This would be fun to do. So let's get up. It's always the hardest part for me. I was thinking, I consider myself more of a morning person than an evening person, but it's the getting up out of bed part that makes me not a morning person. But as soon as I'm up, like right now I have like energy. I just don't want to get out of bed. How many times am I gonna yawn in this video? But anyways, let's get up. Let's go. We're gonna go to the gym like I do most mornings. Yeah, let's do this. Good morning. All right, we made it to the bathroom. Finally out of bed. First thing I have to do is put in my contacts. I'm like so blind, you guys. My prescription is -5 for both eyes. If that means anything to you. I don't know if it does, but I literally wouldn't even be able to know who was standing in front of me if I didn't have my contacts in. Underneath my bathroom sink, and she's snoring very loudly. Depending on what I put on my face the night before for skincare, I'll use an oil cleanser. Like if it's specifically retinol, I don't know, I just do. But if not, and I just put serum on and oil, I just do a water rinse to kind of get off the product from last night. All right, so now once I've done my face rinse, I'm just gonna brush out my hair and see. We're looking a bit oily. I'm gonna put in a little bit of dry shampoo in my hair before I go. I've been using this one, this Collab. I really like this. I think it's really good. So I kind of use this as like a preventative measure to kind of soak up any future oils that I could be working with. Hair in a pony, and then we'll do a little bit of skincare just to get us out the door. All right, so I don't do a ton of skincare before I leave for the gym. I typically just do like sunscreen, and then if I'm gonna be like outside, I will put a vitamin C on underneath my sunscreen, and then I'll come back and do my full skincare routine. I know that might seem like a little much, but I go to the gym and then I typically walk outside for at least an hour, so I want something there. Since that's not the case today, I'm just gonna use like a little spray water. I've been loving this one. Mostly it just smells like a spa and like wakes me up, and it feels amazing, but it's an antioxidant water. Tula actually sent this over for me to try for an upcoming video, but I've just been really enjoying it. It also has like stuff to prevent against like blue light and stuff, so yeah, I'm all about that. So I do some sort of spray on my face in the morning because I just feel like it really helps wake me up, and then I'm just gonna do a little eye balm. This thing is so nice and refreshing in the morning. It's their Glow and Get It brightening and cooling eye balm from Tula as well. Again, they sent me that guy. I'm just gonna kind of pat that in. Nice. And then you guys know my tried and true sunscreen. I love this stuff. This is the Elta MD. Since I am going to be like outside for a little while and whatnot, even if I'm just going to the gym and I'm not walking afterwards like the case today, I still will put on my SPF. This has a slight tint to it, but nothing crazy, but overall it just helps protect my skin. So I love this sunscreen. It is like absolutely my favorite consistency. It soaks right in. I find if I put a moisturizer on underneath it, it's too heavy and it doesn't sink in. So such good stuff. SPF 46 in that guy. So that's it for skincare. Let's go change into some gym clothes. All right, so as I told you guys, it's like really dreary out today, so hopefully the lighting's okay. I gotta put on my watch. This is my watch tan. Yes, I'm obsessed with it. So I do wear an Apple Watch every single day. I'm honestly thinking about getting a new one. This is actually the 2nd edition, so I'm thinking about getting a new one. So yeah, and then I just got this band off of Amazon, just a white band. I will link one down below. I don't think the exact one's available, but I'll link some down below. I got like a neutral packet and I love it. So now to change out of these beautiful jammies into some workout clothes. I'm gonna wear my Lululemon Aligns and then my little CRZ tank. This is in the color Submarine. I'm pretty sure they don't make it anymore, but this one they still have on Amazon for like 20 bucks. It's such a good one. So let's get changed.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
In the car, I realized I need gas or else I won't even make it to the gym. So I'm gonna go do that. I really wish I had brought like an extra like sweater thing, but Scott's on a call, so I don't want to go back in and interrupt him. I don't really love going to the anywhere else besides the gym in this, but either way. Anyways, I will see you all when I get to the gym. We're at the gym. I finished all of my pre-workout. I only did half a scoop today, maybe even a little less, because I want to have a coffee later, but also because I'm actually doing like a fitness program right now from somebody, and I don't want to or I'm not supposed to be working out today technically, like lifting weights or whatever, but I still need to hit my step goal, and I just thought like a little incline walking would be nice. So it's supposed to rain pretty much all day today, so I'm going to just get my steps in the gym, which is kind of a bummer. I don't love that. Actually, let me look at the forecast and see what it's supposed to actually be like. Oh, well, let me just go do my 12-3-30, which it's not a normal thing that I do, but it looks like the rain percent chance is only like 16% up until like 1 p.m. or 3 p.m. Oh yeah, I can get in a walk. Okay, so I'm just gonna go do 12-3-30 really quick, just get in some incline and sweat a little bit, and then go home and take a walk. But normally I do like resistance weight training like 4 to 5 days a week. That's pretty much what I typically do. But like I said, again, today there is no plan for today. It's supposed to be a rest day, but I still want to just get a little movement in my body. So that's what we're gonna do. So I've got my water, and we're gonna go find a show to watch and get this workout in. Let's go. We go to LA Fitness, by the way. I really enjoy it. Alright, you guys, I just finished 12-3-30. It was actually much easier
And I haven't done it in a really long time, but I didn't get as sweaty, which is kind of crazy. But like I said, it's nice outside. It's not nice outside, but it's like 70s outside right now. It's very, very humid, but it's not raining. So I'm gonna go home, change, and go for a walk because I like walking outside. I don't know about you, but walking on the treadmill makes me insanely dizzy, like lightheaded kind of, even though I'm breathing. I think it's just like, I don't know, the recycled air situation. I don't know what it is, but I prefer walking outside. And I started listening to Dr. Death season 3. I was listening to some of that episode, so it got me like, if you're not in the mood to walk, start listening to a podcast and you'll instantly like be ready to walk. I wish people could follow you on your podcast so you could know like, I have a video recommendation of all my favorite true crime murder podcasts. If you're interested, I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. I was like, how will I know? That's how you know. There you go. I haven't updated it in a while, but it's still very, very true. So let's head home. Come on, Winnie. Looks like we're not going for a walk. Sorry, but
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when
Into my makeup because it's the same makeup I wear every single day. If you've seen any of my girl talks, you know how I do it. But all the products and everything will be linked down below for you guys. Alrighty, so this is what I decided to throw on for the day. Very, very casual of me because it's raining today and I don't feel like getting super dressed up. So I'm in this Abercrombie tee that I'm literally been living in, and I already ordered other colors, or at least one other color. I know I wish they had better colors, but this is so cute. I'm probably gonna roll the sleeves. And then my 7-inch jean shorts that are on sale, so grab them if you can. I'm pretty sure this t-shirt is like 15 bucks too. These are the medium darker wash. I still prefer the light wash the best, but I'm still happy that I grabbed these. So that's the outfit for the day. All right, so as you can tell, it's like insanely dark in here. It's raining out, but the light, when I turn the lights on the ceiling, it gets all crazy. So anyways, that is my morning routine. It's almost noon. My morning got thrown for a bit because I talked to my dad on the phone, and then I had to delay my walk because it was raining, and it's raining again. So it was kind of thrown for a little bit of a loop, but that's fine. Every morning obviously looks a bit different, and that's normal, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing mine. I'm gonna do a little bit of work on my computer now, editing and all that fun stuff behind the scenes. I probably spend a good portion of my day on my computer and edit, film, all that good stuff. So that's my morning. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below. If you want to see my nighttime routine, let me know. If you want to see my morning routine with Arlo, let me know. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.